2 kilometer, Miss.
Yeah, two
Because
kilometer. Yeah.
our office is very far from the open gate.
I see. So you don't have to find other places. Yeah, you just
No, no, no,
consider
no
from the gate. Yeah,
obligation. Yeah.
from the gate until the. But you can use your motorcycle to go inside. It's still far away. The parking.
No, I think it's there is some bicycle, but we love to walk, Miss.
Yeah. Ya itu juga ya. It's not becoming like punishment to my cousin. Ya, I'm happy like that in here because he came from Jogja. Ya, so in here everything is not fresh. In Cakung ya. Astra itu di mana ya?
Oh, Astra Cak. Oh, Astra.
Belum sih. Ah, I don't know. Pokoknya di Astra gitu. In here the weather is so different. He said, so I need to do sports. Katanya stress ya karena baru masuk. Just enter kind of like 4 months. Ya. So he said that is a good program but my friends complaining. Kalau dia sih happy aja because he thinks that he needs sports. Right. Wait, wait. I think I opened the wrong file. Excuse me.
Oh, Mr. Egi. Mr. Egi Arab. He can Arab.
Really? Mr. Egi can do Arabic, sir?
Mr. Egi always sing about Arab song in office.
No Arab song, Serapis. This Solomon.
Solawat, solawat is not a song. Yeah, consider this a song. It's a doa. Oh, kok jadi open the wrong one ya? In a moment, I thought that I prepared. Anyway, that I send you in our group. Yeah, I would like you to look first the story in there. Yeah, there is a story. We will do conversation, but I need you to open the one in. Are you using handphone? All of you, handphone and laptop.
Laptop. We all using laptop, Miss.
I sent you 2 slides. I sent you 2 slides. I would like you to read over those 2 slides first. Yeah, 2 or 3 slides. While I'm finding my files. Oh yeah.
Is it about good health, Miss? Good health
Yes,
is good business.
indeed. So, Mr. Hafiz can read it aloud.
Oh,
Yes.
start, Miss. Miss. Start.
Yes, one slide only. How? One slide only. The next one will be Mr. Sadam and Mr. Yan.
Okay. Good health is good business. Here's why. COVID-19 has forced health into the agenda of every business around the world. Companies must address condition continue to shift. It's understandable that many business leaders can't wait to get back to normal, but retaining a focus on health can deliver lasting economic benefits. Here's why. The pandemic and its effects are forecast to cost the global economy up to 8% in real gross domestic product this year alone. But each year, poor health costs twice as much, around 15% of global real GDP from premature deaths and lost productive potential. Now consider the flip side. Investing in better health can boost the economy and increase productive capacity now when we most need it. Companies would be big beneficiaries. Sickness absence will decline. Healthier workers would be less distracted by managing their loved ones' conditions, and fewer workers would retire early because of health conditions. A healthier workforce will translate into lower healthcare costs, and what's more, healthier aging would expand both the future workforce and consumption as fewer people die prematurely and healthier older consumers continue to fuel demand.
That is first slide. Yes.
First slide, Miss.
While you read over your head, Mr. Yan will read his turn. Yeah. Would you mind, Mr. Yan? I'm also going to open my slides so Mr. Yan can see from the screen in a moment. Yeah. 3 seconds.
Mr. Rian, what part, Miss?
The second one.
Second one about question.
Uh, okay. You were reading this one or no? Continue to fuel
Demand.
demand, right? Actually, that is the second one, but then only this. But I would like Mr. Rian to read again. Yeah.
Oh,
And each one of you try to get the figuration, yeah, Mr. Egi and Mr.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Rian,
The
please to
read
practice
again, Miss.
pronunciation. Yes, read again.
Good health is good business. Here's why. COVID-19 has forced health onto the agenda of every business around the world. Companies must address health and safety risks as health regulation and market conditions continue to shift. It's understandable that many business leaders can wait to get back to normal, but retaining a focus on health can deliver lasting economic benefits. Here's why the pandemic and its effects are forecast to cost the global economy up to 8% in real gross domestic product this year alone. But its year poor will cost twice as much, around 15% of global real GDP from premature deaths and lost productive potential. Now consider the flip side. Investing in better health can boost the
Health.
economy and
In better health,
increase productive capacity. Now when we most need it, companies would be big beneficiaries.
beneficiaries, right?
Beneficiaries. Sickness absent. Sickness absent would decline.
Decline itu naik.
Decline.
Hmm.
Yes. Would decline. Healthier worker would be less distracted by managing their or their loved ones condition, and fewer worker would retire early because of health condition.
Health.
A healthier
Yeah. Health. Health.
Healthier.
Yes, health, right.
healthier workforce would translate into lower health care costs. And what's more, healthier aging
Aging.
would expand both the future workforce and consumption as fewer people die prematurely and healthier older consumer continue to fuel demand.
Okay. There is a translation on the right side, yeah. In case that you wanted to know more, yeah, not sure, you can just look upon it, yeah. But in between this, yeah, uh, each one of you try to get the idea while Mr. Egi read the vocabulary. Mr. Egi, it's your turn to read the vocabulary. If I fix that, I mean, it is something that related to pronunciation, yeah. It doesn't matter, yeah. Every time I give you kind of like feedback of your reading, yeah, that's because when you learn from the early one, yeah, it is very easy to change your pronunciation to the correct one. Instead of that, you already become good in English, yeah, and then you didn't realize that actually when you speak it's not the proper pronunciation, ya. Nah, better malah yang dari early nih, gitu. So, uh, walaupun 25, 28 nggak consider early age ya, tapi nggak apa-apa. Minimal ketika belajar lagi setelah high school kan not learning English ya, gitu. Ini bisa lebih diperbaiki lagi ya. Especially tadi yang Mr. Rian say health ya. Itu kan common word Mr. Rian ya, health. Health, death, apalagi tuh breath ya.
Would.
Ya, sama kayak ya, would, should, could, kayak gitu-gitu ya. It seems simple, but it shows that nanti lama-lama terbiasa kalau sudah tahu. Tapi kalau yang udah speaknya like everyday dealing with English people ya, dia nggak sadar bahwa dia melakukan kesalahan karena udah bagus duluan, gitu, udah banyak vocabulary, tapi dari awalnya dia nggak belajar dengan benar, gitu. Ya, tapi understand aja sih. Okay, thank you. While you are trying, both of you trying to get the main idea, first, second, and third paragraph, Mr. Egi, would you mind
Yes, Miss.
reciting number 1 until number 25, sir? The
Okay, Miss.
vocabulary.
Yes.
No need to be fast. It must be clear and correct.
Okay, Miss. First, health. Force, business, work, companies, safety, risk, regulation, leaders, retaining, deliver, economic,
Deliver.
deliver, economic, benefit, effect,
Effects.
effects.
Sedikit ya. Ini knowledge ya to everyone. Kan ada kata the, ada kata di ya. The book, the book gitu. Dia benar dua-duanya. The itu kadang-kadang dibacanya the, kadang-kadang bacanya di. Terus kapan dibacanya di? Kalau ini, kalau pakai the effects. Karena dia depannya A, I, U, E, O. A, I, O, U, I ya. Itu the dibacanya di. The apple. Kita nggak bilang the apple. Kita bilang the apple. Tapi kalau the book, kita bacanya the, bukan di. Gitu. Nah, misalnya nanti tadi yang di atasnya tuh kayak ada economic, the economic atau the economic?
The economic.
Enggak, di.
Oh, the.
Terbalik. Yang di, yang A, I, U, E, O.
Oh, okay, Miss.
Ya, oke.
Miss.
Continue. Number 15 ya.
Yes, Miss. Forecast, cost, GDP, premature,
Premature.
death, loss, productive,
Productive.
potential, distract, aging, fuel.
Okay, Mr. Egi becoming wiser, not really fast as before, yeah. So when you don't speak very fast, actually I understand, sir. That will be also your other opponents, yeah, when you do the conversation. Tapi itu sebenarnya bukan karena ini, memang habitnya speak fast ya,
Yes, Miss.
Mr. Egi, ya.
Right, Miss.
Nah, when you speak bahasa, probably because we are Indonesian, we can get it, ya. But when you speak other languages, it doesn't matter, ya, gitu. Pronunciation-nya jadi unclear, gitu. Karena yang oponennya mungkin juga nggak terlalu bagus di bahasa Inggris, atau dia native yang memang what he is saying, gitu. Karena ada yang hilang setengah detik, gitu. Ya, but you are calmer, dah. So I understand all totally. Thank you, sir. Yeah, we go back to business. Yeah. So, the main idea. Then let me not conducting like I'm a teacher, yeah, for a high school student, but you are grown up, Mr. Egi. Conduct the conversation, Mr. Egi. I would like the conversation related to this. Yeah. If you have asked a question to me, also you can just ask. Yeah. So, lead kind of like normal situation. Yeah. The bottom point, I would like to know what are the conclusion or the main idea of this text. Time is yours, Mr. Egi. Mr. Egi,
Yes, Miss.
you have to conduct the class. You will become me as tutor, asking to your friend what are the main idea of the text here.
Oh, I'm asked to Mr. Yan or Mr. Hafiz, Miss?
Yes, yes.
Oh, yes. Okay. Mr. Hafiz first. Yes. Mr. Hafiz, you Just will read this the
Text.
text, yes, and you must see conclusion the this text. Why are apa? What's this conclusion? Please, Mr. Hafiz.
Um, whole conclusion or first paragraph, Mr. Egi?
All
Full of
paragraph.
the stuff. First paragraph.
All paragraph.
All paragraph, Mr. Egi. Okay, Mr. Egi. What I got from the text is wait a second. Um,
I give you 1 minute, Mr. Hafiz, for your
okay, I
yes,
got it,
1 minute,
Mr. Egi.
1 minute only, 1 minute only. Okay.
Yeah,
I
because
got
I give already 10 minutes before.
Oh,
Oh yeah. So what
Hafiz.
did you do, both of you, Mr. Rian and Mr. Hafiz?
Okay.
Opening another thing? You know what? I give Mr. Sarul and Mr. Sadam ini homework.
Homework.
They
Oh,
need
yeah.
to voice note the reading.
Oh, yes,
Oh,
Miss.
yes.
Yes, Miss. Betul.
Yeah, next time you don't join, you have to have
Homework.
text. Yeah, that's for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Miss.
Oh, so the
Jangan bolos tapi.
conclusion
Yeah.
about this passage, what I got, Mr. Egi, is that COVID-19 actually give a boost or maybe a new agenda that healthcare or their system in it can be such a business around it. So, if the government take care and maintaining the business properly, I mean not corruptly, maybe it can be some income in that area or that country to uh, give a feedback like um a good healthcare towards its citizen because their business about healthcare is good, and then they can feedback it with their wise managing of the money to become better healthcare. And with that process of business, it can be it can create such a healthy environment around the people, and it will be beneficial if the people are healthy because they are become productive, and that is goes around about the will of business, that cycle cycle because of the government can take care the proper flow of business of the healthcare. I think it's too much,
Very
Mr.
long.
Egi. Yes.
That is not summary. That is the whole thing. The whole thing. Mr.
Yes, Mr. Hafiz.
Egi.
Yeah. It is not conclusion, but this is
Yeah,
story.
the story
Sorry.
itself.
It's so long. Very long, Mr. Hafiz. We can rangkum. Yes.
You can summarize it.
Oh, summarize. You can summarize it.
I mean in
Summarize nanti suruh lagi. Summarize.
okay, Mr. Egi, what I got in simple sentences is
Yes.
that COVID-19 teach us about healthy can become such a good business. Therefore, the government can use it as apa ya? as a feedback to their citizen to become more healthier and productive.
Yes, that's it, Mr. Hafiz. It's can be easy to apa? Dipahami apa dipahami? Aduh.
Understand.
Oh yeah, understand.
Understandable.
Easy to understandable. Thank you, Mr. Hafiz.
Okay,
Okay.
Mr. Egi.
Okay. Next to Mr. Rian. Please give me a question different to Mr. Hafiz. Not same. Not same. Not to Mr. Rian. Please.
The class conclusion, I think pandemic give that effect to global economy. I think that Mr. It's simple.
Yes.
What was that, Mr. Rian?
Pandemic give the bad effect to the global economy.
What is the benefit? Jangan stop, Mr. Egi. Tapi only one sentence minimal, 3 sentence ya, Mr. Egi ya.
Okay, Miss.
Even though that is correct.
Anything, Mr. Rian?
Wait.
Effect to
And second conclusion is the healthier workforce would translate into lower healthcare costs.
in two paragraph, yes. Into paragraph. This conclusion into paragraph.
It's conclusion for paragraph 3.
For
Paragraph
paragraph
2 is pandemic. It's give bad effect to global economy.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, okay. Now we good, yeah. There's nothing. So actually, everything related conversation, you become understandable each other, yeah. Even can make joke about it, yeah. You know exactly that making summary one sentence it is very short. Actually, there are pretexts, but we wouldn't do that, yeah. We wouldn't do that because there are a lot of things that needs to be considered, yeah, not just reading. You can just read everywhere, yeah, and then at least so far I have been given you 26 themes actually, yeah, since business, family, and then factory, politic, blah blah blah, yeah. And today is the 27th themes that I give you is health. Nah, tadi udah ya before. There are list of health vocabulary ya. In here much more than that. And in the conversation after this also there will be several verbs. Yeah, this one is especially for verbs. Indeed, so that each one of you already have your verbs, but reading this might also help you to later on I don't use this one I want to be more intellectual gitu. Kalau banyak vocabulary-nya, and then you will be able to produce sentences that is not common. Yeah. So I would like you, each one of you, to read this. Yeah. This is all verb kata kerja, but read the verb 1 and verb 2 only. The left side will be Mr. Egi, and then the right one will be Mr. Rian. Yeah. So the sample is like address, addressed, wait, waited, get, got, like that. After this, we will do conversation. You may start, Mr. Egi. Is it
I'm
quite?
sorry, Miss. I'm.
You are the left side.
Yes,
You are
Miss,
the
from
left.
toilet.
Oh, you are from
I'm sorry.
toilet. You should read the left side one, number 1 until number 18, sir. But the left
Oh.
side one only, yeah.
Okay,
Verb
Miss.
1 and verb 2.
Okay, Miss.
I repeat the way to do it. Address, addressed. Wait, waited, like that. Yeah.
Yes.
No need
Yes.
bahasa Indonesia one.
Okay. Understand, Miss. Okay. First, address, addressed, white, waited, cat,
Waited. Weighted.
Weighted.
No weighted. Weighted.
Oh,
Wait.
weighted.
Hmm.
Ah, okay, Miss. Let me repeat, Miss. Weighted. Get, got, consider,
Consider.
consider, considered. Boosted. Increase, increased. Retire, retired. Expand, expanded. Fuel, fueled. Translate, translated. Spend, spend. Nah, ini bedanya apa, Miss?
Iya benar. Spend and spend.
Oh, spend and spend. Take, talk, make, made, find, found, reduce, reduced, narrow, narrowed, estimate, estimated, increase, increased. Finish, Miss.
Yes, thank you.
Increase ada dua, Miss. Number
Is it
6 and
which
number
number? Good you notice that, yeah, because the same. Right, but it's okay. While you are enjoying the verb, Mr. Rian also can read number 1 and until 18, the second one, yeah, the right side one.
Finish.
Dope, doped. Produce, produced. Find, found. Continue, continued. Will, will. Leave, left. Create, created. Contribute, contribute. Deliver, delivered. Need, needed. Invest, invested. Analyze, analyzed. Profit, provided. Compete, competed. Promote, promoted. Collaborate, collaborated. Streamline, streamlined. Innovate, innovated.
Right, thank you. Just a little bit in the streamline, yeah, streamline and then streamline. Like that. Bukan lined, but line.
Make.
Collaborate, collaborated. Just a little bit of the sound for the regular one, yeah, for the regular one. Okay, thank you. We shall, so there are still lots of vocabulary, but then I still put on the left side here, yeah. But then we have also conversation. Unlike before, the conversation exists with the answer. Now I provided only 2 answers, yeah. So we are going to do this one, and then each one of you can just point it to your friend which one that's going to answer your question. The leader will be Mr. Hafiz. Yeah. So Mr. Hafiz will conduct the situation. Also, probably if this question or this statement later on mau di continue dengan question lagi boleh, ya. So this is real life, ya. Everything that is in here actually not based on the text, ya. Tapi it's just common things that people know, ya. So you can talk also about your daily life, ya. Setelah ini di practice dulu. Okay, Mr. Hafiz ready to conduct, sir?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, from. So it's up to you. Is it going to be your question or you are going to ask someone? Yeah.
Oh, I'm all about question, Miss.
Enggak sih.
Oh,
Cuman
enggak ya?
leading aja. Leading aja.
Oke, wait. Oke, Mr. Dan and Mr. Egi, our theme about today is health. So, before we conduct this conversation, is anyone wants to become the questioner, Mr. Egi or Mr. Yan? Because I want to answer.
Okay. Also, if you need time to find the meaning first, what does it mean? Yeah, 2-3 minutes. Yeah, you can look up for the question, the given answer, and then try to imagine what will be the answer for when is the best time to launch a health related product or service. Okay. This is we talk about health business ya. Karena udah pernah about people's health. Nah, ini relatednya to health business.
Okay, Miss. Mr. Rian or Mr. Egi want to be questioner?
No, I'm unsure, Miss. No, Mr. Hafiz, because it's long to put logic.
Oh,
You ask to me or Mr. Rian. I think will be better.
how about
Question
Mr.
appropriate
Rian?
with this text.
What, Mr. Rian?
Ini sesuai teks ini.
Ya, sesuai teks ini related to this text ya. But the one that is empty, you have to create the answer.
Tanya aja bisa.
Lempar-lemparan. You are in the field
I
of
will-
business. Kan dari atas.
Yes.
Eh,
I will ask to Mr. Hafiz. What service or product should a health business offer?
Okay, about that, a health business might offer services like medical consultation,
services.
services
Hmm.
like medical consultation, telemedicine, fitness programs, health supplements, diagnostic tests, or specialized care such as mental health counseling or physiotherapy. And Alhamdulillah, I never experienced it, all of it.
Alhamdulillah. It hurts.
Okay.
Hurts.
Mr. Egi, who is the target market for a health business?
Yeah, Mr. Rian. The target market can include individuals seeking preventive healthcare, patients with chronic condition.
Patients.
Oh,
Pasien
Patient.
artinya. Nah, patients.
patients with chronic condition, fitness enthusiasts, aging population, or corporate clinic looking for wellness program for their employees.
When is the best time to launch a health-related product or service, Mr. Hafiz?
When is the best time to launch the product? Oh, I think from my experience or what my colleges in healthcare system has been run for, is the best time to launch health related product or service is
Service.
one service, for example, is at the before Ramadan month, sir. Because Ramadan comes, yes, miss. Because many health related product,
Many people sick.
yes,
Yes,
because
tinggi.
the sudden habit that change for the Ramadan. So maybe health product like new type of kurma syrup, or maybe new type of uh, energy drink, maybe to with their with their promise, with their promise to give you energy to run your day in Ramadan.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Hafiz.
I didn't cross my mind that Ramadan make people get sick. I thought becoming more healthy. But that's true. My
You're wrong, Mr.
grandma
Hafiz, you're
and
wrong.
my grandma and then my uncle and my other uncle, they all uh died, yeah, during the Ramadan. Probably because of that, yeah. Different habit.
Oh
Okay.
no, Miss, because the chosen people, Miss Ramadan.
Yeah, the chosen people as well, yeah. And also because of they are enjoying too much the Ramadan and think that it is no need to eat. Kalau udah terbiasa with the Daud fasting ya, or Senin Kamis fasting ya, Monday Thursday mungkin udah biasa. Kalau ini dilanjutin with 30 days. Gitu. Biasanya orang tua tuh yang ini. Merasa enak badannya, tapi actually they need the energy. Yes, yeah. Next question.
Sekali lagi, where should a health business operate?
Mr. Rian, say again. Where should a health, say health,
Where should a health
right?
business operate?
Ura.
Yeah, Mr. Rian. I think this operation location for business operate to big 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 corp big big city, big city, because the big cities is many people. This is, I think, many people. This is very pushy because any job and job, and yes,
Medicine for
no, Mr. Rian, because in the village, human in village, this is he can percaya Pak, percaya believe
Believe
believe to
traditional
traditional medicine.
traditional medicine,
Yes,
yeah.
just because jamu or yes. Oh,
Yeah.
apa tumbuhan
It's
tumbuhan
considered true.
clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you believe in traditional medicine or in the doctoral medicine?
Mimis.
Yes, you. Each one of you.
I'm believe to
Allah Subhanahu wa
medicine,
Ta'ala.
doctor, miss
Medicine.
doctor.
Doctor.
Yes.
Okay. Me for the instant one, yes. If I need to like kind of like healthy fast, yeah, because so many activity, right? Needs to work, yeah. Like last time that I need to teach, I already like not working for 14 days, yeah. So I took doctor medicine, yeah. But in case like now, I'm healthy, yeah. Even though I feel yeah, I'm healthier than when I was in hospital. I don't take the medicine anymore. Yeah, I take like honey. Yeah, or drinking white water. Yeah, because I still have class. Yeah, and then I'm healthy. Ya, nggak izin gitu. I didn't ask excuse anymore gitu. And consider it goes well. Ya. Jadi when I go home from hospital, Mr. Hafiz never have any experience ya stay in hospital. Ya, never ya Mr. Hafiz.
Never, Miss.
Me too until I got pregnant ya 2027 itu baru pertama kali ya, bukan karena sakit ya. After that my first hospital is when I am 40 years old, 42 years old. 42 years old it started all. Surgery itu udah teeth surgery 8 times gitu, leg surgery, kemarin backbone surgery, itu cepet banget. But hopefully that's not happen to all of you ya. Nah, Mr. That is when every time I go home, they give me 2 bags of medicine. Beneran, gitu. I didn't take. I took, but I didn't drink it. kecuali yang sedikit-sedikit painkiller ya, karena kalau habis operasi itu beneran sakit banget kalau nggak pakai painkiller. Tapi yang lainnya enggak gitu. Dan it's okay ya, lebih ke ya itu aja, healthy life aja, like what people in kampung do ya. Ya air jahe atau air panas
Honey, yes.
nih ya, habatus sauda like that. Jadi sebetulnya beneran gitu, gak usah di take ya kalau emang bisa ditahan. Kalau memang udah ditahan. Cuma kalau nggak bisa ditahan, like it's very sick, so makes me cannot walk. Nah itu bahaya karena kalau nggak jalan nanti tambah rusak. Jadi sebetulnya kayak apa painkiller aja sih, yang paling penting kalau obat-obat lainnya. Kecuali heart disease ya. Kalau heart disease tuh harus, emang ya harus ya kalau heart disease. Tapi kalau other sickness, kalau tanya-tanya ya sama other patient, mereka juga gitu. Cuman heart disease aja yang harus take medicine terus. Kalau yang penyakit lain kalau pulang ya nggak usah dilanjutin gitu. Nggak usah dilanjutin itu obat-obatan. Mereka kan ya ini health business ya, health business. Dok apa ngasih sampai obat sampai 3 minggu gitu. Ntar 3 minggu datang dikasih lagi obat. Ya memang mereka jualan obat gitu. Karena mereka dapat ininya the money from medicine. Tapi for us, we just have to be wise aja gitu. Don't take it unless it's necessary. Okay, that's it for the speaking IELTS for this one. Now, this is the ending one. Each one of you have one question and then needs to answer from your other friend. Yeah. Why is investing in a health business important? How can a health business attract more customers? And the third question. Feel free to choose. The last one, guys. Mr. Rian, would you mind asking the first question, sir? You choose your friend to answer. Number 2 question will be Mr. Egi. The third one will be Mr. Hafiz. Will ask this question. Come on, the last one before we close our session.
Number one, I will
Why
ask you,
is
Mr. Egi.
investing in a health business
Okay.
important?
I'm ready, Mr. Rian.
Okay. Why is investing in health business important?
Yeah, Mr. Rian. This is investment in health business important because I think in every day someone is any sick and he must get some business, some
Income. What is it?
Yes.
Earning. Income. Some
Yes.
income.
No, some
What is-
medicine. I'm sorry.
Ah.
Yes, some medicine.
Hmm.
Some medicine to get health again and disease can be not anything, not
I think the question is asking about investing in health business. Health business. Jadi investing kind of like you have X-ray machine or you have pharmacy, you have hospital like that. I think the question referring to that. So.
uh, uh, yeah. First, because in every day any people can be sick, and second, mm, and the you can, if you want investment in is important example for to building pharmacy or any disease can be, I think many apa ya, many advantage, yeah, many advantage to get it. I think Mr. Yan. Enough, enough.
Can you repeat?
Repeat the answer. Repeat the answer. Mr. Rian was busy.
Yeah. I will repeat again, Mr. Yan. Why the investing in health business important? Because pharmacy or
Hospital.
hospital in every day, I think many people will be sick, and if you invest in the business, I think this is many advantage you can get it, because yeah, many people will be sick. I think it will, Mr. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rahid.
No need to repeat again, Mr. Rian. No.
No, miss.
Yes. Right. Great one. Yeah. More longer. And then the vocabulary on the left side we can use, yeah.
Okay. In second question for me, I will ask to Mr. Hafiz. Yes. Mr. Hafiz, how can a health business attract more customer?
For health business to attract more customers is from my
Sorry,
point
Mr.
of view
Hafiz,
right
your
now.
voice so little.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Check.
Yes, feel better.
From my point of view, right now to attract more customers, I take an example like healthy business on dental. There are several dental clinic, but what attract people most, I think, is like their branding on social media, and they knew their customers is concerned um their dental health.
Mm.
Uh, from that, I think they learn and took the opportunity because they knew the demand of the market. From understanding that concept, maybe they knew their market. So in their social media, there are many dental clinic to give uh like apa ya?
Consultation.
Not only consultation but also video like scaling or maybe uh or odontectomy and give learning to their viewers that this is important to take care of your dental,
Dental.
and from that maybe they can take their
Lagi the OTP, yes. Continue, Mr. Hafiz.
take
Okay, Miss.
their apa ya, minat itu apa sih, impression, they get the good impression about their branding on social media, therefore
They get client.
they get client, and then
I see.
once they got the client, I think they can spread like FDC dental clinic, and then like in Bekasi they got online services.
Service.
They got their own apps to do consulting, or maybe take schedule for their dental services.
Services. Ya, like itu ya, Halo Dokter ya. Halo
Yes.
Dokter also we can di inside Grab ya. Before ada Grab Dokter juga gitu. Jadi we get free voucher 500,000 ya untuk menggunakan itu consultation dengan dokter di situ gitu. Jadi itu pokoknya ada aja di account kita gitu, tapi only for Grab Doctor. Nah itu juga mungkin ini ya, advertisement berarti ya. Didn't cross my mind doing that. Bisa
Yeah,
Hafiz
the
can
big
promote. I can operate itu misalnya. I can operate kan ada istilahnya kalau in other country handyman ya. Kalau
Handyman.
each one of you bisa operating machine nggak sih?
Not
Yang
particular.
khusus particularly ini excavator ya.
Mr. Egi can handle apa ini? Hardness tester.
That is one part of the one that used in excavator.
Yes, because Mr. Egi is
Cool.
laboratory man.
That's cool. Gitu. Yang kayak gitu-gitu tinggal masuk aja kan ada ininya sendiri ya namanya kalau in the future ya. Platform yang nawarin skill-skill like I said to you that my IT actually itu high school graduated gitu yang bikin my web pakai Fiverr ya waktu itu ngiklanin dirinya sendiri anak high school bikin web. Okay, thank you so much. We still have left one before my other student join. Still the last question ya. Mr. Hafiz ya ask question.
Yes,
But
I
don't ask to
ask.
Mr. Egi ya. Mr. Egi has to give me the OTP code at Mr. Rian.
already, miss.
What is it? The OTP.
OTP code.
Hmm?
The OTP code is 2818.
2818.
Hello,
Yeah.
Rafni Lastari.
The last one, come on, that we have
Okay,
this.
okay. Mr. Rian,
How much
how much
initial investment?
what do you think, and
Wow.
how much initial investment is needed to start a health business?
Must be a large number ya.
Actually, I don't know, but I think it's need a large force. I think it's more than 100 million,
Wow.
and the large force is for like advertising, promotion, rental building, and investing equipment.
Yes, indeed. So it can be more than that. I believe that Mr. Egi has pharmacy, right? Or you tend to open pharmacy, Mr. Egi? Oh,
Not yet, miss.
not yet. Hopefully,
Yes.
it will.
Planning in 2030 mungkin.
Why very long time? Why? Oh yeah, waiting for Mr. Hafiz to get married. Yes, becoming your first client. Okay, thank you everyone for today's session. Yes, my student already joined. I'll see you next week. Yes. Yes.
Okay, Miss.
Yes. I'll see you next week, Tuesday. Yeah, hopefully in full team. Yeah. Bye bye.
Okay.
Take care, everyone.
Okay, Miss.
Okay,
Assalamualaikum.
miss. Assalamualaikum, miss. Thank you, miss.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You're welcome.